What's the meaning of clash? Clash. Clash.
Clash. Clash. The term clash refers to a conflict or disagreement between two or more parties, often resulting in a confrontation. It can be applied to various situations, such as conflicts between individuals, groups, or even nations. A clash may arise due to differences in beliefs, values, interests, or goals. Depending on the severity of the conflict and the parties involved, a clash can lead to various outcomes, ranging from a peaceful resolution to violence and destruction. Overall, a clash represents a clash of ideas, interests, or values, leading to conflictual behavior and outcomes.